Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect my LinkedIn and Claude AI. So first things first, you can connect LinkedIn to Claude via automation platform, or you can also integrate LinkedIn data into Claude with enterprise connectors or with Windsor AI. Now, if you want to connect it without any coding, then what you're going to do here, or what I'm going to show you is you can use a no-code automation tool like Make.com that connects LinkedIn to Claude AI. All you need to do here is create an account. You can continue with Google, with Apple, with Facebook, or other ways. For me, the easiest is to connect Make.ai to my Google account. So just tap on continue to sign in or create an account. Wait for a couple of seconds. So basically, this is what it looks like. So you need the name, you need to enter email address, your country, region, and then wait for a couple of seconds. You can just skip this part if you want, but you can also answer this. So basically, these are just easy, or let's just say a survey from their website or platform. So you can answer this, and then after that, you can just go directly to create workflow or scenario. Okay, so just answer the following here, like which of the following best describes your technical skills level. You can be very honest with this question. What size is your organization? So you can just select here. Let's just say my organization is 2 to 10. And then which of this popular application are you planning to use in your automation? So you can just skip this part, but you can also answer. Or if there are other application, you can just basically add it right here. So for example, application like LinkedIn and Claude AI. So you can just basically type it right here and then tap on get started. So that's how easy it is to make an account on make.com. Now you can now start. As you can see on the left side, there are features right here. And also you need to upgrade a plan in order for you to unlock some features right here, but it's okay. If you want to connect your LinkedIn to Claude AI, first things first is, of course, you need to tap on or create a workflow or create scenario. So this is what it looks like. You can see all applications here. You can see make AI agents, make AI tools, open AI, and so on. So there are tons of applications here for your automation or integration. Now click on create scenario. This is what it looks like. Tap on the plus icon right here. Click this one. And then here you have to look for LinkedIn. So for a search application, you have to type LinkedIn and you have to scroll down and look for LinkedIn, which is this one right here. So basically, you can just add whatever trigger you want. So add LinkedIn as the trigger. So let's just say if you want to add new connection or new post, you can add a Claude AI action like generate response or create prompt from Claude.ai. So this is LinkedIn. So basically create a company image. There are a lot of trigger here that you can choose from. So let's just click the first one, create a user test post. Okay, so if someone posts to your wall on LinkedIn, you will be notified. Okay, so click this one right here. And then once you have your trigger, then it will ask for your LinkedIn account. So basically, you need to tap on create a connection and you need to log in your LinkedIn account or connect your LinkedIn account here. So click LinkedIn and then you can add or you can change the connection right here. And then after that, you're going to add or authorize make.com to be connected to your LinkedIn. For content, if you don't know how to create text format or if you don't know the format, you can go to AI and then type here, for example, uh, let's just say you will be prompted or you will be notified or get notified if someone posts on your wall or user's wall. Then you should see this one right here and all you have to do is tap on apply. Then once done, then you can also toggle on mentions. You can add users here, media type. You can add media type right here, or you just have to leave it empty. Okay, to make it easier, just tap or just select empty. And then after that, visibility, you can change this to connections only. And then tap on save. Okay, now that you have your trigger, then it's about time to create or generate prompt. Like if someone posts on your wall, you don't need to do it manually, like you don't need to respond manually. That is the role of Claude AI. So what you're going to do here is you need to look for Claude AI to connect, then Claude AI will generate a prompt or response to that specific person or user who have just posted on your wall. So basically, you cannot see Claude AI right here, but you can see Anthropic Claude that is same as Claude AI. So I'm going to show you here. This Anthropic Claude is the same thing as Claude AI. So you can connect Anthropic Claude integration. This one is also similar to Claude AI, or this Claude AI is under Anthropic Claude. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you Claude AI is assistant developed by Anthropic Claude. So as you can see, Claude AI is a next generation AI assistant developed by Anthropic and AI safety research company founded by Anthropic. So it's the same thing. So what you're going to do here once you have connected or once you have searched that Anthropic AI or Claude, you just have to simply click this one right here. And then you can select for any text prompt that you want, or you can create your own prompt. And as you can see, this is what it looks like per model. You can choose whatever model here at Claude Sonnet 4.5 or 4.6. So once you're done with that, then you can review and then tap on save. You will see integration link into Anthropic Claude. And basically, you should see that right away that if someone posts on your wall or user's wall, then Claude AI will generate a response quickly. You don't need to do it manually, but the Claude AI will do it for you. So that's how easy it is to connect my LinkedIn and Claude AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.